All right, this is my new gate liner for the Ford Maverick. There's Finney. It came today. I want to get it opened up to lay out in the sun because it's in a box and I believe it's folded. So let's open it up and then we'll do a quick look to see if it matches the bed liner. It's supposed to. I bought it from the same company. I had to wait an extra 2 weeks to get this. I don't know why. But man, it's cold out too. Looks like it's got an accessory pack inside. It's like some double-sided tape, some little Allen wrench. And directions. It's got some adhesion on the back too. The main thing I wanted to do is see if it matches the actual texture of the liner that I bought for it, which I really like, actual bed liner. And that is the same pattern. So I'm going to leave this lay out in the sun and then install it tomorrow. Alright, hit the like and subscribe button if this video helps you out. Here's the 2025 Ford Maverick. The matching gate cover just showed up. It's 50 bucks. The bed liner cover was like $95. Bottom line is I got to pull 8 screws out on the gate with the 25 T25 hex screwdriver. It also came, this kit also came with one in the installation packet, but I actually have a little bit better one right here I'm going to use. I have to clean the surface and then slap it in there. There's also some adhesive on the back. You can see that. That's to adhesive and stick it to the top for a better fit. And then there's some extra tape if you want to put that in the bottom of the cover, which would go down there on the metal here. This tape actually is going to stick to this plastic. And then down here it's going to be rubber on metal. This alcohol with some water in it that I use to keep my graphs clean on my boat. Take these screws out. They're not in there very tight. This panel is actually for access to your tailgate handle and the locking mechanism. That's why they put that on there. So we got that. Now it's time to lay this guy up here. because we'll be able to hook this up once it's on for the adhesion part, which is kind of the reason I'm making this video, because I haven't seen anybody use the adhesion. Alright, we're gonna flip it over, put some tape right there and there, right along here. Ooh, and it is hot. Hot, 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 hot. Says you got 5 minutes to put this stuff on. We'll see. It's go time. The ones I'm worried about peeling are right here down the center that I did. This is my push spots. It's hot. And then I got this piece right here. Now we're going to push this down. Giant hair. Definitely not mine. One last fine tune. Don't want to strip these out. Hit the like and subscribe button if this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.